So we had received this information around 12:45, 1 o'clock in the afternoon today, that the gondola has met with some malfunction and the gearbox of it had gone off-road. So that resulted in a little crisis situation here with 65 cable cars from the base to the phase 1 got stuck midway. Now there was a need to either repair it or get it rescue to be carried out. So a request was received from the Cable Car Corporation as well as the District Administration Baramulla for rescue of people. And this is basically, there were 65 cable cars full of people who were stranded onto the cable, and then it needed a rescue. So what we have done so far as of now, by 1800 hours, we have been able to rescue along with the other agencies approximately 29 to 30 cable cars out of the 65. Around 10 cable cars do not have any occupants, so around 25 cable cars are yet to be done. This is actually, the weather is quite inclement here. We have rains and hailstorms in between. You can see the rescue effort going on in the rear where SDRF team is working. Likewise, the teams of army, the teams from police, the district administration all are here, and they are organizing the effort to coordinate. Now we are looking for another 5 to 6 hours of rescue to happen to finish the operation. In this, we will require support to be given in terms of lighting the areas of rescue. So some arrangements are being made for that. The rescued people who had basically spoken on to megaphone whosoever was inside the cable cars and assured that they will be rescued. There was a bit of panic, but which was managed by speaking to them regularly or through the megaphones with the cable cars. We have arranged at a couple of places Adam bases for them. Once they are rescued, we are giving a cup of tea or some refreshments and guiding them down back to Gulmarg. So this process is continuing. We are looking forward to another 4 to 5 hours for this to continue. And as of now, situation is totally under control, and more teams are arriving, and we should be able to carry out the rescue. The teams of Indian Army, the HAWS, we have here teams from SDRF, police, the Cable Car Corporation, BSF, all have put together efforts to put together this rescue, and we should be able to finish it by midnight today. Thank you.